Alright guys, welcome back to another video on Ninja Guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Google Drive and share link, guys. You can actually watch these videos like they're a YouTube channel, like a YouTube video, It's really easy and simple. I'm going to show you just how you can do this. So I'm going to upload some videos right here, okay? I'm going to upload some more videos. I'm going to take this video, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These are 5 videos, and I'm going to upload them right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to put them up right here and upload these videos. All right, guys, we have now. I'm going to just drag and drop them. Okay, you can also go and click on new and then click on file upload, but like a normal person, I am just going to drag and drop them. It's asking me to replace existing items. It seems like one of the items already exist. I can tell which one it is. I think it's this one, how to easily cancel an order on Glovo, but I'm just going to replace it and upload, and I will show you just how, guys, you can share this link to your friend who can watch this video. Okay, I'm going to show you just how you can do that. For example, I have these videos uploaded. Okay, now this one, how to use StanStore for affiliate marketing, I just uploaded it, and now if I want to share the link, it's all you do. Click on more actions, click on share, and all you need to do, guys, is click on share link, or you can click here and then invite someone through email. Just click on share link. That is it, guys. Literally, that's it. So you can also watch these videos. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you that you can watch these videos without using any external website. Once you share this link with someone, check this out, guys. This video is going to start playing like it's a YouTube video in a normal online media player. So it's loading up right now, but it's going to start playing really soon. And it's really that easy and simple. You can share your link. Here we go, guys. Starting up the video player. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving. There you go, guys. As you can see, the video has been uploaded and shared on Google Drive as a link for other people to see. They can even increase the quality, literally like it's a YouTube video. So that's how easy and simple it is, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, make sure you subscribe to Ninja.